Guys, if you're new here, my name is Lakshit, and in today's video we're gonna unbox the Apple iPad 8th generation. But before we get into the video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, like my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Without any further discussions, let's get into the video. So first, we're gonna start unboxing it, and my brother is gonna tell some cool features about it. So this is the unboxing of it. And here's the iPad.
This is the iPad, guys. So now we are unboxing this. We can keep this aside.
But for now, let's just take out these things that's in the box.
And in the box, there are the user manuals and the terms of conditions and some Apple stickers. That's it we have. And we have the 20-watt power brick and USB Type-C to USB Type-C lightning connector. And now let's start unboxing the iPad itself. The iPad is unboxed. This is the iPad, and this has the two stereo speaker setup. These are the speakers, the lightning port, the headphone jack, and that is it. And this is 128 gigs, and it comes in 3 colors: space gray, silver, and gold. And this is like gray. This is gray. And let's get started. And these are the connectors for the keyboard. These are the connectors for the keyboard. Now let's get started. And this. And this has Touch ID. And for iPad Air, the Touch ID is in the top, and for the normal iPad, this is the Touch ID. And yeah. And it comes with iPad OS 14. This is the iPad OS 14 with the latest updates. And it has like 9 hours of battery life. And this is an 8-volt Bionic chip. As I told you, it has like 2 speakers set up. And 2160 by 1620 pixel. And it has like an 8 megapixel front/rear facing camera, and it can go up to 180 HD video recording. So that is basically the iPad review. And for the cellular version, it is 495 grams. And for the Wi-Fi version, it is 490 grams. And this is the Wi-Fi model, guys. So, and that's it. Thank you. Bye.